Hey, what's up everybody? There's an event going on at iTrack Motorsports and I'm gonna go spectate it. I'm gonna bring you guys along for the ride. You can check out some drifting. It's pretty cool what they do here. Addie's not gonna join me today. It'll be just me riding solo today, but we're gonna still go out and have a great time. I'll get a bunch of footage. Let's go and support those people who are trying to get into drifting. I believe today is a drift clinic day and a hot lap day. So experienced and inexperienced alike, we love to see it out there. Stay tuned. Make sure the like button is blue or whatever color it is these days. Just make sure it's smashed and subscribe as well if you want to see more of this content. Enjoy. That's a couple clips of the drifters from tonight. Don't worry, we're gonna go back tomorrow. My good buddy Matt, he was there. He was the guy who helped me the first time I ever started drifting, and I really appreciated it. And he's gonna be out there doing some more instructing, and he's gonna have some time out when we first get started to do some ride-alongs, and I'm gonna hop in with them, and I'll bring you guys along too. It's gonna be really awesome, so stay tuned for that. That'll be right after this. guys, so we are wrapping up for the day. It was another great day here at Linear Raceplex. Some pretty crazy ride-alongs with Nikki. I really appreciated him letting me tag along. And Addie, did you get some good outside shots? What did you think?
Yeah, I probably got like 2 minutes worth of it. I hope I got enough.
Yeah, so we'll see as this edit gets put together. But anyway, yeah, it was super exciting. Really good time. Really good driving by all of the drivers out there. Even the new people. This is a drift clinic and hot lap event. So it's really an opportunity for people who are still learning how to drift to get out and have a safe space to really get experience, see time. All right, so we're gonna try to wrap this up real quick. I'm still learning about the battery management of my new camera, so it died, so hopefully this isn't too much different. But as I was saying, it's a great opportunity for everyone to come out. Please make sure you support Linear Raceplex. They're doing a lot for these drifters out here. iTrack Motorsports specifically, doing really great work, and really looking forward to continue to drift with them eventually, as we'll see here in this car here, and have a good time. So I think that's gonna wrap it up for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like and subscribe and stay tuned for more content. Addie, you want to sign us out?
See you next time, guys.